Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Sunday, August 28th, 2022, and this is another update on the 61 Chris Craft hull, the 17-foot ski boat. So I just finished laying out all the locations for the wood screws for the bottom planks, which I'm getting ready to bed in the 5200, and there's somewhere on the order of 1,000 wood screws just for the bottom. So when I had it down to the frames, I marked the center lines of the frames on the keel and the chine. And then when I laid the plywood, I transferred that mark onto the plywood. And then when I laid down the planks, I transferred that center line onto the tops of the planks here. So here's the transom. So the way it goes down the boat is you've got the transom, batten, frame, all the way down. So here's the hole for the prop shaft through the keel. So this frame has to accommodate the prop shaft, so it goes up and over it. And then the next frame is underneath the engine, so this is the low frame. And then the next frame onward are standard size frames. And here's the water inlet for the engine. And there's 3 locations where the planks have a butt joint. Here, here, and over there. So I made a couple of decisions. On the bottom, I'm ignoring the location of the old holes entirely. So when I rebuilt the framing, I doubled up the frame, so there's 2 boards now. So that's why the center line kind of shifted over here. So here's where the original frame is, and then the new frame next to it, here's the center line. And that's common on a lot of these. And then the battens, I made them a little bit wider, and I put them right between the 2 frames. So the center line is maybe a little bit off from the original, even on the battens. So I made a couple decisions about the locations of the wood screws. Let's put it that way. So I came in from the edge of the board, I came in a 1/2 inch on either side, and each board will have 4 wood screws across it where the frames and battens are located. And then the transom was an area that was just a mess. And again, I'm just gonna put 4 wood screws in the middle of the frame on the end of the transom. So it's coming along pretty good. And I also made notes, in addition to the locations of the wood screws, what length wood screws should go in each. So I made all those decisions so I don't have to figure it out while I'm trying to start bedding these down in the 5200, because they're all planned ahead of time. And just to show you, here's a 2.5 gallon bucket filled with all the old fasteners, the 1/4 20 bolts, and all the wood screws. I'm not sure how much that weighs, but it's pretty heavy. So I've replaced all the fasteners on this boat with new hardware. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and talk to you later. Bye.